Your Royal Majesty, to be back in this palace, to feel at home, to confirm your prediction that I'll be back here as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This was just like yesterday. And thank you for who you are. A highly far-sighted individual, committed, man of integrity, enduring student, and all his life, the time you spent in Lagos, and since you became the Emir of Lafia, his peaceful stability, progress, and opportunity being offered to this state. I salute the former governors, Abdullahi, Tanko Almakura, and many other prominent sons and daughters who had been here. So the governor, it is just an emotional day for me. I thank one of you the way you showed up in grace and glory to the palace chief. Thank you for keeping loyalty intact with the Emir, for being honest advisors to your supporters, and hope to say thank you. I believe in you, you believe in me. It is a great honor for me coming back, and this is a great opportunity God has given me to say thank you for what you've been doing and what we are still going to do in the future of this country. All I did when I first came last time is promise you a change for the future, a change for the best, a renewed hope that flourishes in trust and flourish in prosperity, and bring your children, and yet unborn children, the promise of Nigeria, the promise of prosperity, stability, good education, good development. And we have seen it in Dr. Sule. He has hit the ground running. We just commissioned an entertain and the other part of great government for which he said he has not borrowed a penny to build the state. The changing and the transformation of this state is blossoming in Africa. It's just God Almighty that granted you the opportunity to witness this change, continue to give you good health, keep you happy, keep your family well, and keep the progress of Nasarawa state. Lord, and promise. May God bless Nigeria. May God bless Nigeria. Thank you very much.
That brings us to the end of this ceremony. We'd like to thank Mr. President for visiting the palace. We'd like to thank Your Excellencies. Thank you so very much.